Good morning. We're at our first church rummage sale this morning.
WooHoo.
Oh, come on. Mark and I are up early this morning, really early, and we're heading to a church rummage sale, the first one of the season. So Mark, isn't that a woohoo?
WooHoo.
Oh, come on. We made our goal of getting all those boxes done in the guest bedroom, and the sales are starting, and I can't wait to get to this one. They were having a breakfast here at 7:30. We decided to eat breakfast at home, and they said no early birds, so we're hoping that nobody's already shopping. Good morning. We're at our first church rummage sale this morning, and Mark is bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. We got up early today, and the sale starts in a few minutes, so can't wait. So excited. I'm not a bag lady. I'm a box lady today. Yes, I'm bringing in my cart and my basket because I never have a place to put all my stuff, and a couple of flashlights, and we're ready to go. We're moving. Mine is moving. You feel the excitement? Which way do we go, Mark? You knew where we go. Look at all the clothes. All the clothes. Let's go to hard goods. Let's go over here. Cute box, but it's not worth enough. I only see one of these, $1. It's hoping it's sterling, but it's brass. That is unique. Leonard brass plate. That is very top heavy. It's one. That's kind of cool, but it's missing something. Missing something. Checking all the brass, but I keep finding just one of a kind. Formalities, Bond Brothers. Do you see anything? Oh, there's so much stuff on the floor. No creamers and sugars. Thank you. Again, just one of everything. It's kind of mid-century modern. Norco, it's not in great shape though. I'm gonna pass. Some huge sewing needles. It's new. It's upholstery needles. I'm gonna throw that in here. New in package. I am keeping in mind today, new in package. I don't know much about dolls. Oh, what's this? Oh, it's all scratched up. That's cute. Little trinket dish. I don't know. Trinket dish, it doesn't have a lot going on. I told Mark no creamers and sugars. What's this one? Some kind of candle. Wall mat. Pass. Again, only one of them. Excuse me. I have a hard time making the corner. Brass butterflies. Pretty bad shape. interesting planner. Oh, it's a tissue box. Price is so right. I just don't see a lot that I want to get to resell. Here's a little skunk. It's cracked. Cute though. Oh, sometimes, you know, things like this can be handy for garage sales, but then again, at our house, we don't have garage sales because there's no place to park. I guess I'll pass.
Prices are unbelievable.
Oh, their prices are always great, always. But everything I like, I'm only finding one of them. I want to find two of them. You know, a pair on the candle holders and stuff. Oh, Christmas wrap. Yeah, and just here's the room. It's really huge. And we always find stuff, but you know, as we get more selective over the years, it gets harder. Now, these are some Victorian ornaments. I didn't go to the toy table first because I just didn't. I'm gonna have to speed up the shopping here. I don't know, the hard goods aren't as good as they normally are. It's pretty, but vases are slow sell. Got a bag of scrapbooking materials. Most of it looks new. For $1, I don't know. It's a maybe. It's a maybe. Oh, so scuffed up. I'll have to look up what these are. But they're so scuffed up, I can't get them. I stay away from these kind of things. Okay, light bulbs. Switch box. Old.
Hello.
Oh my gosh, that made me jump.
Wake you up or
Yeah.
We have the exit door over there where the ladies are standing leaving. So you don't have to tote it back through the kitchen. Go out the exit door and you pull your car up there. If you buy furniture, see one of us and we will tell you where to pull to get that.
I'm heading to clothes. I'm looking for denim skirts and stuff. What's in here? What's new and packaged? So they wrote on it, it has the original price, Dollar General, so hard to resell that as new when it's got the price on it. A lot of stains. This is where I pick up my denim skirts every year. They're just $1, $1. Crown and Ivy. That's pretty cool. Found finally a little brass planter for 50 cents. But overall, like hardly any hard goods today. KitchenAid for $1. This is an attachment for a KitchenAid mixer. It has 4 of these. It has this part. What's missing is the, I think it's missing that. Oh no, here they are. Okay, I'm getting it. Mark found something for $4 and take a quick look. There you go. Yep, that says it all. Let's get it. Isn't that cute? Picking up denim skirts today and I found a Ralph Lauren denim handbag for 50 cents. That's pretty. Didn't get a whole lot today. The purse, bag of Christmas Victorian ornaments, a brass planter, the KitchenAid, slicer shredder, the coffee pot. Just found this vintage piece, a little dirty, but a bag of scrapbook stuff, little pendant, and denim skirts and jackets. That's it. All this stuff. And found very little today, but that's okay. We have a neighborhood sale to go to tomorrow in Abingdon. After rechecking comps on this, most of these sellers have this at free ship at 30. That means it's worth about 15 and they went for, we're going to put it back. Spent only $19, got a lot of denim skirts, a couple denim jackets, a few things as I showed you there. Not as much as what I normally buy. I couldn't find any plus size women's blouses, you know, button front blouses. But still did pretty good. So keep watching here, I'll show you what we've got. We just got home, got this stuff in, and yes, I put my name on my boxes in case I set them under a table somewhere for them to hold for me. So I'm going to go through this stuff, and first thing I do is grab my notebook. I'm into 23 now, and I write down the date, where we went, how much I spent, and then I'll log everything, and I'll use this for our taxes, for my expenses. The brass planter will probably get listed for $24.95. The KitchenAid slicer and shredder attachments could be worth anywhere from $60 to $120. The pendants about $19.95. The upholstery needles are only worth about $9. I found out that the purse is handmade from a pair of jeans, so I don't think I can sell it at all, maybe on Facebook Marketplace. I got a great assortment of denim skirts for $1 each. And several jackets for $1 each, so not too bad. So as I've gone through everything here, this envelope punch board is the winner. I can list this at 25. These are worth about 10 each. This new pack of magnetic business cards is worth about $9.10. I think I'm going to put all of the paper together in a lot, maybe throw something else in there too. I'm still debating on whether I want to put all the buttons together, because I'm not sure everybody will want these gold and silver colors here. I might sell that as a lot and put these together as a lot. Still debating whether I want to sell these, all of these as a lot or not sure yet. Not everyone's going to need the precious little girl, so this is a lot for sure. When I bought all of this, I thought I would put everything together as one lot. I can see now there's a lot more value if I just sell some of the things separately. And the $1 bag of scrapbook supplies could be worth $100 if I part it out. And the grab bag of Christmas ornaments for $1, I'm going to cut off all of the tags, and I think I'm going to list the lot for $39.95 plus ship. Not too bad at this sale for only spending $19. If you like these kind of videos, be sure to subscribe. I'm Vicki with Avante Avenue, and Mark and I will see you soon.